Right then, Robert, we'll go to some stone waterfall thingy-mablob.
Waterfall. Okay.
Yeah, so I thought I'd film another one while we're here. Yeah, you can send that to me as well, Frank. I need that. Yeah, all right. Excellent.
That's nice.
This is nice. That is impressive.
It's hard to tell what's natural and what's built in there.
Yeah.
That's quite well done. That's cool.
That is cool. Come up here. That's impressive. If you look through there, what you'll see. Yeah, that's where we're going. Come up here to this bit.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's smart, isn't it? And that's Nuremberg. Well, that's impressive, that. If you go a bit further up there, Robert, you actually see like the turret.
Oh yeah.
Nuremberg.
It's like that in Bavaria,
Neuschwanstein.
Bang Bang.
Yeah, the Chitty Bang Bang Castle. I've been there. Right then, off to the castle. And as I said, off to the castle.